Isang mapagpalang araw sa inyong lahat. Welcome back sa ating munting channel, Cool Lolo, Cool Tips and Talks. Wednesday Racing. Ngayong araw ng Miyerkules, starting time ng karera, alas 5 ng hapon, 5 p.m. Meron tayong 7 karera. Yung 1,200, 4, race 2, 4, 5, and 6. At yun namang 1,400 meter distance, meron tayong 3, race 1, race 3, at last race 7. Race 1, umpisahan po natin ang ating mga cool choices. Isang 3-year-old and above, maiden race, Placer, 1,400. Meron tong Pentapecta at dito nilagay yung carryover ng Pentapecta, 110,870 pesos and 22 centavos. Dito sa race 1, first choice natin, number 9, Boy Hulo. Second choice, number 5, Saving Sunset. Third choice, number 8, Enough is Enough. Race 2, 1,200 meter distance. Yung nga palang race 1, yun ang umpisa ng winner take all. At ito namang race 2, ang umpisa ng pick 6 races 2 to 7. First choice natin sa race 2, number 6, Sky Lover. Second choice, number 5, Biglang Buhos. Dumako tayo ngayon sa race 3. Isang 3-year-old and maiden race. Non-placer. Balik uli sa 1,400. First choice natin, number 2, Pay the Line. Second choice, number 9, Levitating. Race 4. First choice natin, number 7, Bright Mind. Second choice, number 6, West of the East. Dito sa race 5, ang ating pong first choice ay number 8, Tawi-Tawi Island. Second choice, number 3, Tokyo Rumba. Third choice, number 2, Street Queen. Race 6, penultimate race. Race na may Pentapecta. Regular na may Pentapecta. First choice natin, number 5, California King. Second choice, number 7, Golden Jaraywa. Third choice, number 2, Minimal Invasive. Tumako tayo ngayon sa last race, paratingan. At race na may Super 6. Dito sa race 7, first choice natin, number 6, Pass Sailing. Second choice, number 3, Galactus. Third choice, number 5, Hiroshima. God bless to all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. At pakikalagit na rin ang notification bell para maging updated sa lahat ng video. Hinay-hinay lang po sa pagtaya. Sana tumama tayo. Thank you!